Having trouble installing the Windows 11 KB5085516 update? Or maybe it's not showing up in Windows Update? In this video, I'll show you how to manually download and install KB5085516 using the Microsoft Update Catalog step by step. First, open the link in the description of this video. This will take you to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. In the search bar, type KB5085516. Then press search. Look for the update that says Cumulative Update for Windows 11 KB5085516 Update x64. Click on Download. A new window will open. Now click on the link that says Windows 11 KB5085516x64. Wait for the update file to download. Once the download is complete, locate the file. Double-click the update installer. When prompted, click Yes. Now wait for the update to install on your system. After the installation is complete, click Restart Now. This will finish installing the update. Once your PC restarts, the KB5085516 update should be fully installed on your system. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.